Lifting heavy things is hard work. But what if I told you that you could lift a car or move a mountain using just a few clever tricks? Welcome to the world of simple machines. They don't have engines, but they make work much easier. Let's meet the Big Six. First up is the lever. It's a stiff bar on a support called a fulcrum. Think of a seesaw. It turns a little strength into a LOT of lifting power. Next is the inclined plane. That's just a fancy name for a ramp. Instead of lifting straight up, you can push it up a slope. Way less effort. Next, the wedge, which is two inclined planes joined to make a sharp edge. When you push it down, it pushes things apart, like knives or even your front teeth. Next, the screw, which is just an inclined plane wrapped around a pole. Those spiral lines are called threads. It converts circular motion into a strong straight line force. Next, the wheel and axle. Imagine dragging a heavy box. Friction makes it hard, but a wheel and axle helps us move things with no effort. Finally, we have the pulley, a wheel with a groove for a rope. It lets you pull down to move something up. It's much easier to use your body weight. Simple machines are the building blocks of everything. When you put them together, you get complex machines like cars or robots. Look around your house today. How many levers or wedges can you find? You're surrounded by secret tools. Thanks for learning with us. If you want to become a master of machines, hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time.